Oh my goodness, there's monkeys everywhere. There's monkeys gonna steal our towels. Monkeys in the trees.
Oh, that's a little baby over there.
Monkeys.
Oh, two little babies, look.
So we're sitting in our villa just watching the monkey show out here. Came down on our chair, we left a towel out there. I think he's gonna steal it. Up in the trees, all kinds of monkeys out there.
Oh,
Oh, here comes a big guy. Daddy monkey.
Yeah, that's Daddy Monkey.
He's got blue balls. He does.
I know.
Oh, here comes
babies.
a little baby one. Two baby ones. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the one with the baby on the belly.
Where? That one sitting there?
No, on the branch right there. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
My goodness. It's a monkey party. Hey, hey, with the monkeys. Uh-oh, somebody's swinging down. Big boy. Whoa. Freaking monkeys are everywhere. Well, hopefully there won't be any inside here when we come back later. Here you go, baby. All right, monkeys. There goes the mama. You see that one? All right. I'll talk to you later. So long, monkeys.